Forsythia is native to Eastern Asia, specifically China and Korea. It has been widely cultivated as an ornamental plant in many parts of the world. Forsythia Magical Gold is a relatively new cultivar of Forsythia that was developed in the Netherlands in the early 2000s. It is a hybrid plant that was created by crossing two other species of Forsythia. Forsythia Magical Gold is a deciduous shrub that produces bright yellow flowers in early spring before the leaves emerge. The flowers are trumpet-shaped and can grow up to 1.5 inches long. The foliage is bright green and can turn yellow in the fall. Forsythia prefers full sun to partial shade and well-draining soil. It can tolerate a range of temperatures but may struggle in extremely hot or cold weather. The plant should be kept consistently moist but not waterlogged. It can benefit from occasional pruning to control its size and shape. Forsythia can be planted with a variety of other spring-blooming plants such as tulips and daffodils. It can also be used as a border plant in a garden or as a hedge along a property line. Forsythia Magical Gold is primarily used as an ornamental plant due to its bright yellow flowers. It is also sometimes used in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments such as fever and inflammation, although its medicinal properties have not been well studied. Additionally, the plant can be used to make natural dyes for textiles.